Good day everyone, welcome to Fun Grammar for Beginner program. My name is Alan. Today I will give you a lesson what is different between singular and plural. Let's check it out. What are they?
They are pens.
What is it?
It's a pen.
What is it?
It's a phone.
What are they?
They're phones.
What is this?
It's a watch.
What are they?
They are watches.
What is it?
It's an umbrella.
What are they?
They are umbrellas. What is it?
It's a dictionary.
What are they?
They are dictionaries.
What is this?
It's a brush.
What are they?
They are brushes. It's a city. This is not a very good map. Are these your t-shirts?
These are my children. Is that your phone over there?
No, my phone is here.
Look at that. They are great. Who is that? Is this your brother?